happened? Why are you yelling at me now? Meow! It's the second I get a... Serious. Charlie. Santa. Salute! Charlie, stand. Charlie. Salmonella.
I'll give you my address.
This. Be nice.
I'm finding it.
It take you that long to find it?
It does.
You're demons. Demons.
No, you can't have any meow-juana. No, stop. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Behave yourself.
Take a shot.
No.
Take a shot.
No.
Take a shot.
No.
Bitch.
Hun.
Better not go to sleep. As soon as your eyes shut, I'm gonna punch you square in the face.
You going for a walk today? Your face, dude. Your face.
꽁꽁 얼어붙은 한강 위로 고양이가 걸어다닙니다.
Steven! I thought you were dead!
The dog was coming to save me from choking, but he had other thoughts.
Get off! Get off! Alex, dog's humping me!
Mom walked past me with her hood on to see if I'd notice her.
Hey. Hey. You didn't even see me? You just walked by? He just did a little smile.
It's the first time I've ever seen snow.
Yeah.
Ni hao. How are you? What are you doing?
No, it would make the relationship too weird. We can't. We have to stay friends.
In 2007, he came to my office as a consultant, and I said to myself, sorry, I like this gentleman. And then we started dating.
Look, I'm not your friend, okay? Be careful, be careful.
Dad,
because I'm not your friend.
Baby, come. Good girl.
Came home and this was on the ground spilled. It was full.
Literally to the brim.
Kitten.
I'm closing the door. Here it goes, closing. Get down.
Get a job. Over here drinking, watching the 70s Steelers. Bro, get a job.
We've recently started our own secret language. Interesting. Don't interrupt me.
Dai, su. Saluta.
Suéltame, pendejo. Suéltame, güey.
Yao Chu. Meow.
Beyonce, down. Down. Helen, tell her.
Get off the fucking table!
Oh.
I'm sick and tired of you.
I'd give my right hemisphere for a few hours of sleep.
Muse.
I kind of have OCD.
You mean obesity?
Me too. When I went on her page and seen her pictures, I said, "Oh, jump scare."
This magical person come in my life and go.
He's just licking it now.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem?
You're gonna hurt yourself.
Food right there all day. But when these snacks come out, they get to going crazy. Come on, man. Don't be jumping up there like that. You're going to hurt yourself.
Clean your butt. Goodbye. Goodbye. Clean your butt. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Benny. Goodbye.
You are so cute. You are so. What the f you want?
You got some water.
You can
Do you have anything in your bag, ma'am?
No.
Any illegal contraband?
No,
Let me see.
Come here.
Luca.
Danny.